be missing if
Oh,
you're
sorry,
going
sir.
to share.
I think I missed it to record. Sorry. Yeah.
No problem, no problem.
Just a minute. I think initially I'm giving the recording button, but again I paused the recording button. Sorry. Okay.
No, not a
Then
problem at all.
yeah. Then we need to create the business units.
Okay, fine.
No issue. But tomorrow also I'm giving some review. Then only start the next session, because what you
No,
understand.
this is fine. No, I'm okay with it. So
Yeah.
I'm able to get you. So I will be repeating it. Only thing is that you will have to bear with me because I want to get it clearly. I cannot just leave on that is why I'm just
That's the
repeating.
reason. It's a good way. What you're doing is a good
Yeah.
way. I'm
Mm.
appreciating you. I think
Yeah.
that means coming to the BU code, you can understand the purpose of BU
Yeah.
having different BUs. The system is
Correct.
automatically generated the BU code. The purpose of using the different data sets.
Okay.
Then giving the next, and then it's coming to the same screen only. That's what units is created. What sets is already created. It's mapping here.
Okay,
Then
so
we can,
that set one details only will go.
yes.
Total set में set one का details will go for the Bajaj India के लिए and set two will go for Bajaj US, right?
Correct. Perfect.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
Dinner ஆச்சா?
டின்னர் இப்பதான் ஆச்சு. சாரி, அதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு 10 minutes டைம் கேட்டேன்.
Okay, fine.
ஏன்னா நான் ஆக்சுவலி எனக்கு 7:30 ஒரு பேட்ச் வந்துச்சுல, அது முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. ஒரு 1/2 hour டைம் கிடைச்சிச்சு. அந்த டைம்ல ஓகே.
Okay, fine.
Then going to the reference data set, just a minute. So it's already set. So it's having different set and he had different set. So Indiaக்கு வந்து different set இருக்கு and US க்கு different set இருக்கு.
US there is a different set. You can overwrite the set assignment.
Yes,
that is possible.
Yes, that is possible. I coming to the next session, how to override that, because it's automatically created now. So after creating some, we practically I going to overview that. So override that, then only can understand. So someone is already created, so you can review the details. So Bajaj, right? You can see. So what are the divisions already created? I think is wait, just a minute. I'm giving that another link. Just 1 minute. Just a minute. Okay. So once it's closed, you can join that link. Okay, I will share you. Then just a minute.
Why? What happened?
What happened means I'm using that Zoom basic version. They are allowing to use only the 40 minutes. I can use Gmail meeting next onwards. Gmail is unlimited, correct? Na? Google meeting is unlimited, correct?
Yeah, Google Meet is unlimited.
But it's
even
not
in Zoom, no. Even in Zoom, if you are using it like a
premium version,
Zoom also is unlimited.
No.
Free version only.
No. Zoom is not unlimited. I'm using more than 5 years.
Seriously?
Zoom, yeah, sure. You can ask anywhere.
Yeah.
A premium. You need to buy something. You need to pay something. You need to buy
correct.
premium.
But you can use the same link, no?
Same link can use it.
Even after 40 minutes, the same link can be used. Yeah.
Yeah. Again, I need to edit and change it. Here I could edit and change it. That no issue. I will share you that. Then just a minute. So while creating the enterprises, so show you how to you can see the divisions. இங்க பாருங்க உங்களுக்கு divisions create ஆயிடுச்சு, enterprises created, enterprises கீழ divisions created ஆயிடுச்சு. So after creating the enterprises, legal entity is created and business is created, and related to the different data sets is created. So we are using this. We can download the technical summary report before after creating the all level of setup. You need to send the report to client to get the confirmations. So that's the purpose.
What all you have created and
what are the created, then only they can understand what is the requirement we gathering, how they create in a system. We can see. For example, you can see it's very good view. That means you can see all the things. This next part I will coming to this kind of area. Just in showing here the local address, location address, how they created. So what are the details is against is created to map to the Bajaj. So what are the divisions is there? What are the legal entities is there? What are the business unit is there? what are the legal is coming to the next session. I coming to the payroll section only. I explain about the LTG. Then BUs there. BUs there. What are the BUs there? You can see the client easily understood the purpose. They are creating the technical summary report from the system. So we can create a number of enterprises. You can show to the client. You can send to the client. You get the confirmation. They're giving some corrections. You can do accordingly. You can do the changes. Because the main purpose we are doing like that only. Then it's coming to the once it's established is created, I come to the next top part. Wait. So what the purpose of the USC is create all organization section at one time, create multiple configuration, test the multiple scenario. The main purpose, like this is the purpose we're creating. For example, this is the main structure. I'm just while navigating that, we creating the divisions, legal entity, BU, reference data set, and assigning, overriding the assignments. This level of setup, we have every industry we doing that. Just like how they using, just giving some examples. So what I created something, I think last week I created some set assignment. I mapped to some one of my students. So how just I work on that. Just I'm showing you. So sets real time environment. How the sets is mapped to the business units. I'm configuring it. Is the client's testing document. So that means after the configuration, you need to test it. You need to send it to client. That means UAT is there now. You need to accept
UAT. Yeah.
This level of setup, the implementation team only should do that. So நம்ம தான் அதெல்லாம் பண்ணணும். So what kind of setup we need to configure? We need to test it. We need to send it to the client. We get the confirmation. Then only we proceed for another phase of implementation. So there are a lot of documents will be involved in that. So நிறைய document we need to prepare. So mostly we are dealing with the document creation, preparing the document, configuring the system, talking to the clients, getting the confirmation, configuration. This kind of process mostly happen. So when you go into a technical perspective, you need to interact with your technical team if you are working as a functional consultant. Just so you can understand the geography and EAC, correct?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Next I'm coming to the actions. I'm numbering that what are the task area we need to implement. I just take the snapshot. I'm showing, so I will increase it. I will do coming session. I will showing all level of setup this. Then coming to the next one, action reasons. So because you are working in end user, so உங்களுக்கு end user நீங்க work பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, அதனால கண்டிப்பா உங்களுக்கு action reasons பத்தி ஐடியா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். That means correct?
இல்ல actually end user தான், but ஆனா we did not put any other details into it. Very basic only I did. அதனால எனக்கு screen மட்டும் தான் தெரிஞ்சிச்சு. Okay. ஜாஸ்தி ஒண்ணும் தெரியாது.
For example, நான் உங்களுக்கு காமிக்கிறேன். So the based upon the client requirement, client shared one requirement like that. Testing, before testing, I need to test tester point of view. So this is a pass or file I need to mention here. Some additional notes I need to mention here. This document is a real-time environment document. It's not a training tutorial. The real-time what they're doing, I'm just taking the snapshot. What I'm preparing that, I send it to the client only using it. This is the older version they are using, that real-time environment. I already told you.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, okay.
Every quarter it changes.
Yes. It depends upon the company. We can't force the company change, upgrade anything.
To change it.
It's client, that is company decision. We are not involved in this area. So this is the task area, workforce. So we can navigate this. Otherwise, we can just go to the FSM area, get the navigation. Just mix. So managing the location. So I'm going to the managing location. What's normally managing the location? So உங்களுக்கு location ன்றது concept தெரியும்ல. I think why you are using the location. Do you have any idea?
Yeah. For the where they stay and everything.
No. Geography, you can ignore that part. Geography is different. Location.
Okay. This location is what?
Location is mostly 100% I'm telling. It's used to only the company perspective. There is no employee perspective. It's not used in companyக்காக தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ கம்பெனியோட transaction level. That means wait. So why I'm creating that location, I'm just showing you. But the sets, you know that sets is coming to the ODS concept. Okay, coming to the action reason, then only I can go for the location. Next நான் location பத்தி எதுக்கு create பண்றேன்னு சொல்றேன். இப்போ நான் வந்து action reason எதனால யூஸ் பண்றேன்னு சொல்றேன். So I'm creating new location. For example, in Dubai, one of companies giving some they are sorted, they are running successfully. They are adding some new locations. So new location add பண்றாங்க. So like
okay, fine.
Any area you have, specific area, you know?
Yeah, Jabal Ali is there. DIP is there.
DIP, yeah. Okay.
DIP.
Okay. I don't know, but just Dubai DIP. Okay. This is a new area. The client, that means the customer is having some operations. So accordingly, I need to configure here. So Dubai DIP, Dubai DIP having the codes. The code is related to the BA reports purpose. We are using the codes backend. The status should be always active. If you are creating a new location, it should be active. It is related to the finance. Ignore that part. For inventory, these things.
Okay.
The description, you can DAP, like same only repeating here. While you end user, this is all this point of only geography is coming. So நீங்க கேட்டீங்களா?
Okay.
So I'm just typing. So here I am taking for India. இந்தியாக்கு வந்தீங்களா அதுக்கப்புறம்?
Okay.
ஒருத்தவங்களுக்கு இந்தியாக்கு
I've
வந்தீங்களா?
also started to sleep. இப்பதான் வந்துட்டு போனேன். நாங்க 1 year once வந்துருவோம்.
ஓகே. இந்தியால ராமநாதபுரத்துல இருக்கீங்களோ? திருநெல்வேலியா?
இல்ல.